I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select PyForms as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, then go to the PyForms page and fill it with data to retrieve it. PyForms fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select an action newsletter. Connect to newsletter. Successfully connected to the newsletter. Next. Now map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the newsletter dashboard and navigate to the subscribers. Here, you can see that the data was successfully received in the newsletter. Thanks for watching.